right? You guys see that? How I get 2,700 triple vetted, highly targeted leads every single month, or how I get 90 every single day. You guys, what is up? Marshall Live, and I am just launching a brand new software through my LinkedIn account with a new company that I have partnered with. And really, you guys know that my journey is what I've promised you from day one 2 years ago, is that I was going to share with you guys everything that I did, whether it was failing, whether it was winning, good, bad, ugly, and everything in between. I've had snotty, gross crying videos before. And in today's video, you guys, I want to share with you the most powerful freaking lead generation tool that I've ever come across. And to be honest with you guys, I don't even know how I got fortunate enough to be one of the branded partners for this, but I'm gonna show you guys this right now, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm using LinkedIn to do this. It's really, really cool. So I'm gonna share my screen with you guys right now if that's cool, and hang tight. You guys are gonna want to see this because it's freaking crazy. I literally right now just got 247 highly qualified leads in under 3 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys over to this little dashboard that I have right here. And you guys have never seen this dashboard before because it's a brand new business, and it's freaking crazy. And I just want to share a little bit with you guys because a lot of you have been asking, Marshall, how are you generating leads with this new LinkedIn software that you've been talking about? Now, look right here. I'm going to show you guys this, but you see this number right here, 247? Those are 247 triple vetted, highly targeted leads that I've gotten through LinkedIn. You see the status is not active yet. It says recent marketing campaigns. I wanted you guys to be here with me live for the first time ever when I pushed my button, first ever button to run my first marketing campaign inside of ClickedIn. But I wanted to show you guys what this really is, because you see up here, ClickedIn, real leads, real results. Now, this is my dashboard, and my dashboard is going to show me right here marketing campaigns that I have going on. It's going to show me recent campaigns. Now, what's really cool about this software is that one thing is it lets me it gives me access to 2,700 leads a month. So 2,700 leads a month, and then every 30 days, that 2,700 refreshes. So I just built my first list of leads this morning. You see, that's why it says 251 is because I had 249 leads that I captured here in San Diego in my backyard who are my perfect ideal audience. And I'm going to show you guys how you can do this for anything. So, and then what you guys are going to see here is it's going to track all of the numbers, where they came from, and at what points of the day my ideal audience is on LinkedIn, and what time of the day they're most active and such. So this thing is just absolutely incredible. I'm going to show you guys just a little tiny bit. Let's actually go to leads first. So you guys see that integrates here with your HubSpot or your Salesforce. You can integrate other things into here. But as my leads come in, you guys will see they're all here. And then this is all driven by a brand new AI technology called Maya. And what Maya does is she learns your moves, and she learns your audience better than anything. So gone are the days of connecting like action funnels and all of that. Maya and AI technology is literally going to put each lead where it goes. And again, this is all filtered through LinkedIn. However, Maya is also smart enough to let you link with your Gmail through email marketing into this as well. So ClickedIn is actually a preferred partner of Google. Google has been inside of this software. They know it inside and out before it's launched. So there's multiple ways for you to be able to reach your guys' audience. But check this out. I want to show you guys what I've done here. I'm going to turn on my first marketing campaign. I'm going to hide these tips. Now, right now it says it's going to make 40 connections per day. Okay, now this number does go up to 90 a day. However, 90 is the limit. Like if you start sending more than 90 connections a day, it's not good for your account. So you never want to go past that. The system safeguards against that. However, there are things you want to keep in mind, but I can tell you about that later. But this software is designed to make sure your account is never banned, never suspended. It is always well within the safeguards and rules of LinkedIn. So that's what's really cool about this. And this is all public information. This is all on LinkedIn. It's nothing here that's private. I've just gotten access to it by the software filtering it out. And what I did is I built a list of highly targeted people, and that list ended up comprising of 247 people. Now I'm going to show you how I built that list here in 1 second, but first I want to turn this on. So there are some people here. I have a marketing campaign I'm going to turn on. what's going to happen is that Maya, the AI technology, she's going to go through this list and she's going to message everybody on LinkedIn that's on this list. And what she's going to message them is she's going to message them this custom message. It says, hey, first name. I always like adding title, which is speaker or coaches, to my LinkedIn network. Would you like to connect, Marshall? Right? After the connection has been made, 30 minutes after connection has been made, I send them this. Thanks for connecting back with me. I appreciate making actual connections on here. I'm going to be honest. It's refreshing to be able to have a social media platform that's not overrun with nonsense, negativity, and half-naked people all over. I've been fortunate to discover over the last 2 years that when you use social media correctly, it actually acts like your own broadcasting distribution networks. Think of the mobile phone as the new age TV, and the old channels like ABC, CBS, MTV, ESPN are now just LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, etc. And I have to say, first name, I see that you're a blank. And if there's one thing I know, it's getting harder and harder to get your message out there above the noise and the chaos. It's exactly why I help coaches and experts launch paid speaking brands, getting on stage, sharing their story and messages. I only work with coaches and experts because I understand your audience and I understand what you need. I'm not wrong guessing that you've been thinking about getting on stage and sharing your story, but you've probably been wondering how to get started and how to get paid to do it, right? I believe in giving before asking, and I create a free resource that I send people who want to get started called How to Launch Your Speaking Career in 30 Days. Is that something that you'd be interested in? Because if so, check it out. Let me know what you think, right? If they haven't answered, here's another message. I have a thank you, or I have another message too, that if they answer back to me, they say, no, I don't want that, right? And so what Maya's going to do is she's going to take care of all this all by herself, right? I've just preloaded these messages, and now I'm going to save them. So now what happens is, first I built a list of highly targeted people, which I have here. And then the second thing is I connect them to whatever marketing campaign or list that whatever sequence I've built, right? So once that's ready to go, and once I've gone through here and vetted all of the people and I see it, all I have to do is push activate. So I'm going to push activate on my very first campaign. It's going to do 40 connections a day until it goes through the 247. Okay, so you guys can see this is the list that I built. So what the people that are on this list of 247 are from San Diego. On LinkedIn, they have a business of they're self-employed, 1 to 10 or 11 to 50, and they're in the industry of professional training and coaching. They have in their job title either CEO, actually speaker, or coach, right? I'm gonna put speaker and coach in there, narrow it down a little bit more. So you guys can see this is triple vetted. This is quadruple vetted at this point, right? It's what state or city, what size employee, industry, and then job title. And you guys can see it's going to calculate this right here live in front of you. I'm going to show you. I'm going to get this many more leads. Think about that. You think about if you had 247 people a month. Look now, 331 leads I have. 331 people in my backyard, right? That I can market to. Check this out. Now, in under 5 minutes, this is going to load up 331 qualified leads that are going to get that LinkedIn message sent to them. And then AI technology is going to talk to that person like a real person using preloaded messages that I've already had. Now, what I'm going to show you guys is I'm going to drive that traffic. I'm going to try to get them to a landing page for Launch My Speaking Career. Okay? I'm going to try to get as many people as I can to launch my speaking career. But this is how I'm actually going to, this is how I drive paid traffic to my program, right? Launch my speaking career. Okay, cool. Yep. They want access to that. So now they come in. I send them the guide. However, I make them an offer, an OTO for $37 right here, right? How to get, don't just launch your speaking career, get paid to launch your speaking career. And that's what the page, that's what 331 people are going to have an offer to and buying. And if they come to this, what happens is then they go into my funnel, which is going to get them offers into my other sequences, right? Like one-on-one coaching, masterminds, events. So this is a really, really cool way, you guys, to be able to drive traffic to your offers, to your landing pages, to building your list, to your events, to anything, right? Literally all through LinkedIn. So 4 minutes and 12 seconds. All right, guys. So look at that. In under 5 minutes, I have one here in San Diego. So 1, 2, 3, 4 layers that they've gone through, right? Let's hide this. 4 layers they've gone through of people who are qualified that are my target and ideal audience, right? So let's go back here to the dashboard. It says not active yet. Okay, cool. It looks like we're all good to go. So now we're going to view details and we're going to activate this bad boy. Hide this. Let's get this bad boy started. Boom. So now what's going to happen is it's going to show you what time it was sent or what time it'll be sent, right? And on what date. And it's going to show you what time they accepted at. So right now this is all East Coast time. So right now it is 2:06. So basically here in Pacific Standard Time, this is going to go out in 24 minutes, the first message. Because again, Maya and the AI technology wants to act like a real person. So it's going to send these messages out slowly and surely like a real person, okay? It shows you the ones that are scheduled, the ones that are going to be in the queue, and it's going to be just like normal. So it's going to be 40 connect, or I switch it to 50. It's going to be 50 connections a day until it gets through all 247, and it's going to be sent out like a real person. So it's not just spamming the inboxes. So really, really cool. Again, you guys could do this anywhere. Let's go back here and just do one more. I'm going to say we'll call this national speakers list. Okay, so say national speakers list. Let's put California. Okay, so for California, we can just put all of California. Let's put Nevada. Actually, not Nevada. Let's put Las Vegas. It's a big speaking community, right? We'll say Las Vegas, Nevada. Let's say Texas, because there's a lot of speaking events in Texas. Let's just say, is there just Texas? Houston, Texas area, Austin, Texas. Can't just do Texas. Gotta be a Texas in there. Boom, Texas. Let's say Florida. Oh, because I can't spell it right. Let's do Florida. Coaching. Okay, boom. Job title, let's put speaker, coach, entrepreneur. Let's also put trainer. Let's put expert. All right, so let's see what happens when we do this. Let's just search. Let's calculate and see how many people we get here. Boom. 966 leads. So you can only do 1,000 at a time, right? However, you guys look at this. If I wanted to, I'm not gonna burn through 966 leads right now on one click because I only have 2,100 remaining for the month. And I guess the month is almost over. It's every 30 days. However, you guys can see this. If I wanted to create a national speakers list and I wanted to be able to broadcast out to 966 different people, right, within the guidelines of what LinkedIn allows, I can talk to people who are from California, Las Vegas, Nevada, Texas, or Florida, who are labeled as self-employed on LinkedIn, who are also LinkedIn labeled as a professional trainer or a coach, who have in their title either speaker, coach, entrepreneur, trainer, or expert. 966 people that are instantly, I can talk to 90 of them a day, and I can manipulate this any different way. Now look, this is just for me. What if I wanted to reach people who needed anything? Think about your product or your service, right? Well, who are you trying to reach, and who are you trying to get in front of? Because I can have conversations with these people every single day, 90 of them at a time, all within the legal limits of what LinkedIn allows. It's a preferred Google partner. So again, Google and LinkedIn have been through this. It's absolutely crazy. It's all AI driven, and It's going to be really, really big. So I will be back tomorrow to show you guys what we're working on and what the first 50 connections look like, and to document if we've had any sales or anybody opt into the funnel. All right, talk to you guys soon.